Welcome into 74 Windstone. You step in. Spacious living room, the gas fireplace, walk-in closet for your coats. Nice little dining room area, right next to the kitchen. Right off the dining room, you have a nice patio here, enclosed, fully enclosed, with air conditioning system. Quite spacious, as you can see. Nice remodeled kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Got your dishwasher, microwave, and your oven, stovetop. Rare marble on the kitchen counters. And right off the kitchen, you have a half bathroom with washer and dryer. Nicely remodeled. And here we have a two-car garage, manual garage with plenty of storage space. And then we'll make our way up the stairs. At the top of the stairs, we have a walk-in closet, quite spacious, plenty of room in there. Here's one of the bedrooms. Nice closet. And as you make your way down the hallway here, you have a master bath. Nicely remodeled. Subway tile, shower, bath. And the master bedroom with dual closets, plenty of space for storage, closet space, and a nice deck right off the master bedroom. So that'll do it for 74 Windstone.